Hope Now 2023 was a success. I thank God for blessing me to be a part of this blessed event. Um, the yellow brick road and the balloons and all of these beautiful creations that you see, the stands, the vases were all created by Minister Charlotte Watson, Sister Danielle Forrest, and none other myself, Uneatly Tae. The whole thing was a back down memory lane with a yellow brick road decor theme. Everything looks so beautiful. Those stands I made myself and the vases, even the backdrop you see, and the fake food was made by our wonderful team. These vases here, it's just a blessing to be a part of such a joyous event. We're elevating God together through creativity and decor.